there, it's Sano, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today, I'll be sharing some exciting Christmas items, new product installations, and also introduce some other noteworthy products. There is a lot of new information packed into this video, so be sure to check it out before your next IKEA trip. This year, IKEA has released some truly intricate lighting design. They are absolutely stunning, and I think they'll sell out very fast. Alright, let's get started. This video is mostly from IKEA Yokohama in Japan. I didn't want to miss out on the things I knew I wanted to buy before they sold out, so I headed straight to this white decoration. Isn't it adorable? I'm definitely buying this one. Looking at the rest of the collection, I realized how cute the designs are this year. So stylish and beautiful. It's surprisingly light too, so carrying it home won't be a problem. I'll explain more about it later. Now let's talk about this year's Christmas trees. I think they're so cute, especially with the white and silver decorations. The trees have been slightly updated this year with denser branches, which means you can hang even more ornaments on them. Also, it seems the ornaments have gotten a bit smaller compared to last year, especially the round baubles. Now, let's head home and I'll unbox everything for you. I also bought this red bag. Like I mentioned earlier, it's surprisingly light, with a hollow inside, making it easy to carry. The designer behind this item is the same one who created the highly popular and hard-to-get hostage collection plates. Adorable, right? Totally worth it. The edges have a slight beige tint, so they pair really well with light birch trays. Since it's white, it goes with everything. This tray is also from IKEA, and it's a super versatile item. I couldn't find this at the Harajuku store before, but they had it in stock at Shinjuku IKEA. I'd recommend getting it quickly since it's sure to be popular. Next, let's move on to the chair pad section, where I found something that really stood out. You could spot it from a distance. It's a chair pad with a mushroom pattern designed to fit over chairs like this. The cushioning is great, and it feels soft to the touch. It's a really clever idea. Just slip it over the chair, and it instantly looks adorable. Kids would definitely love wearing it on their heads, right? It's part of the kids section, and I think it would make a great Christmas gift. There are many cute new items this season, especially these soft toys. They're absolutely adorable. What's great about IKEA's soft toys is that they don't use plastic parts to prevent choking hazards. Plus, they're machine washable. They're super practical. Look at these Arctic fox and owl puppets. So soft. And here's the otter family. Yes, they come as a set. Isn't that cute? This hedgehog, just look how tiny and cute it is. I also spotted a new play kitchen set. The one on the left is the classic popular model, but the new one is a bit smaller and comes in gray. So stylish. What's improved is the dial. It has this satisfying click when you turn it. I think it's really fun. It's also great for storage. Perfect for keeping play items organized. Everything about this set is so well designed and it's very affordable, so I expect it'll sell out quickly. This season, IKEA has released a lot of gaming furniture. Even if you are not a gamer, I think you'll find some of the designs really appealing. Here is a look at the Tokyo Game Show. This was a business day, but the IKEA corner was packed with people. I was sharing live updates on my stories of Instagram, and this desk caught a lot of attention. Even people who are not into gaming send me message like I need that. It's a desk with shelves that close up so you can hide everything when you are not using it. Here's a demo. The desk folds up like this and you can store the chair inside too. Isn't that incredible? It's spacious enough to spread out a notebook, so it's perfect for work. The doors also act as dividers, giving you a bit of privacy to concentrate. People told me they wanted to use it for sewing or as a workspace in their living room. Here's the standalone version of the desk. The shelf is attached as part of the set. This chair feels like a cocoon, so comfortable. The middle part can even be removed. So interesting. It's an inflatable chair, so it's super light and you can hang it up like this. This explanation was given by one of IKEA's famous designers. And if you caught a glimpse earlier, that's Yuka Mori on the right. I was so honored to tour with her. David, the designer, also worked on the Blend Ball collection. It's such a treat to have the designer themselves explain the product to you. It's a unique exhibition experience.
And it goes with the IKEA philosophy that we want to create more from less. So we don't like to use a lot of foam. We like to use less materials and very flat pack. I think this one, the carrier of the comfort is in the air.
This personal chair, which I introduced briefly before, comes in gray and blue. And as you can see, you can stretch your legs out on it. The cushion is really firm and comfortable. Once you sit on it, you'll definitely want one. Also, the backrest can be pulled forward so you can even lie down on it. How amazing is that? Another feature I love is that it has wheels on one side, which makes it super easy to move around. You can quickly roll it to wherever you need. This chair, designed by David, the same designer I mentioned earlier, can rock forward, backward, and side to side. The rocking motion is just perfect. David worked with gamers to test it repeatedly, refining the design with their feedback. It's quite large, so there's plenty of space. The thin design lines prevent it from feeling too bulky, but it still requires a decent amount of floor space. Now back to Christmas. In my last video, I received a lot of comments about certain products, so I'd like to introduce those today. First up is this apron, which is incredibly cute this year. This one is for kids, and the pattern is just adorable. It's also very easy for children to put on, since it uses Velcro, so I highly recommend it for little ones. Next, we have these paper napkins. I mean, how could I not buy them? They're just too cute. Sometimes Christmas-themed items can be hard to use up because they're so seasonal. But I thought these floral designs would be great to have on hand for any occasion. Adding a pop of red really makes the tableware stand out, don't you think? And next, this star-shaped light series is incredibly popular every year and they tend to sell out quickly. This year's designs are extra special, with more three-dimensional shapes and even some made from bamboo. A couple of years ago, the cord sets and stands sold out fast too, so I recommend grabbing them early. They're super easy to set up, so I'll walk you through it. I store mine in the closet in my kids' room in an IKEA Skubbe box. It's the smallest size Skub, and it fits a 180 centimeter tree. Amazing, right? And I also have the Starlight in there. The best part about the Starlights is that they fold flat, so they're easy to store. I'll show you the stand version later, But let's start with the hanging ones. The star just opens up like this. So easy. This is why I highly recommend them. You just attach the bulb and a small hook to the cord set, and you're done. For hanging it from the ceiling, I use ceiling hooks. I also use a smart plug so the light turns on and off automatically at set times. The hooks I used to hang it on the wall are from Seria, a Japanese 100 yen shop. They're like push pins with a slot for the cable. I think a lot of people hang them on curtain rails and display them by the window. The 70 centimeter stars are perfect for placing on top of cabinets. They're easy to balance. For the stand version, you'll need to buy the cord set and bulbs separately. Make sure to get an E17 size bulb. The stand is also super easy to set up. Just pop the star on top and you're done. This lamp base costs only $13, but it's got a nice weight to it and feels very stable. This is the 48 centimeter lamp version, which you pair with a shade. They also released a red version this year. Now, let's take a look at the room set. This is from IKEA Tokyo Bay. And they had this lovely hotel-like bedroom setup. The bed frame is from the popular Mom series, and the side tables are from the newer Tonestad series. I love the lighting on the wall. It gives such a stylish vibe. IKEA has a lot of strip lighting options, and I use them on my kitchen counter as well. IKEA's products are so reliable. I'm even thinking about using them in my bedroom. Now, IKEA has released some new freezer bags with double zippers and a gusseted bottom. Perfect for taking snacks to work. The smaller ones come in both double and single zippers, so make sure to choose the right one for you. In the next video, I'll be introducing more of IKEA's exciting new products. There were a few glimpses in this video as well, like the shiny and sparkly items from the Freude collection, and I'm really looking forward to showing you more of those. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video.